John Van Leer in New Zealand, Sotheby's International in the Manawatu, Palmerston North in fact, one of Palmerston North's most admired character streets. A beautiful street, number 36 Langston Avenue in the hospital location. It's leafy, it's just gorgeous, but it's a strong and very, very friendly, popular neighbourhood. The family have been here for many, many years, which will typify all the children as they've grown up here, loving this location. But behind me sits a character house built in the 1920s, reeking with character, beautiful heart New Zealand timber, but it's a home externally. It's the Roughcast low maintenance, but on 810 square metres, it's a really nice indoor-outdoor home amongst other character homes in this location. Of course, we're close to the hospital, all the very, very good schools, and we know the neighbourhood very, very well. But the home itself, well, hello, just have a little look when we go through the images you'll see shortly and see how spacious the living is, how ambient the living is. There's a guest bedroom downstairs, there's well, let's say a den or a study downstairs with an open fire. How good would that be? And of course upstairs, well, that tells a story, of course. 3 bedrooms, lovely bathroom situations, an office. So there's so much here to look at. Let's have a little wander through. I know you'll love it. I think we'll leave it there, but most importantly, I'm sure the children that grew up here will have loved playing the piano, loved their home, loved their neighbourhood, and at number 36 Langston Avenue, it's not hard to find out why, because when you walk through space, lovely, lovely character, lots of bedrooms, and a home that has ambience and family feel. So call Michelle and myself as soon as you possibly can to get through this home. They don't come up too often in the hospital location like this one.